hate to do this to you, but make a sad face. Well, Buddy might have blown up his bike. Either that or low voltage. I feel like
it is low voltage, but we have been, you know, like.
I feel like it's low voltage though if it just cut out while riding.
I mean,
would it not have been more catastrophic if, like, what happened when it stopped?
So even
was there a loud
wheelies,
clank?
I would do a wheelie and it would feel like someone's hitting the rear brake.
Was it like the CR, where you're just on the gas and then?
No, on the gas it was perfectly fine. As soon as I let off, it just died.
I don't believe this is seized up. That would just be awful luck.
I've given up. At the dunes, I wish I got this much fun out of it. The dunes, it was instant.
The dunes, it was 5 minutes.
No, not even that.
I just got my camera stuff on, and I'm like, all right, ready to go. I take off ripping, and then I'm looking back, and you're like, I think I blew it up. No.
There's something stopping the engine.
Yeah, that's it. For sure would have spun from that. Wow, look at that unit. Look at this thing. What did it lose now?
2 strokes and 40 pounds-ish.
Ah, so you didn't get a new bike. It just went on a little bit of a weight reduction, right?
Weight reduction, you know, I did the 2-stroke delete. Somehow exploded. I don't know what happened there.
It's probably just like from the heat.
Bit, you know.
Yeah, I mean, when you thought you blew it up, it probably was just the heat, you know, expanding the pipe. Ooh. Big satisfaction. Okay, bud. So today's location, Tillamook State Forest, right around Browns Camp, and check this out. We got a new Raptor here next to the new Bronco. Wow, that thing lugs fantastically. I sounded like half throttle, maybe.
Yeah, not much. It's 4th gear though.
You don't happen to have a flathead, do you?
Why?
Kind of want to go adjust my clickers. Nope, that's a wrench.
Oh, there should be a flathead in there.
Ooh. Sorry, B. Bam!
I guess they took it out, huh? Yeah, we can stop by the truck.
Oh, no.
You idiot.
What do you mean?
We just got here.
Well, I didn't do it on purpose.
You and your 2 extra strokes.
Come on.
You can limp it back to the truck.
Enough. Flat tire ain't gonna stop us from having a good time. Even got the Bronco. Might unhitch that and see what we can get into. Pre-challenge course interview. How you feeling right now?
You know, the log seems to have grown in size.
Yeah, I noticed that a little bit. Last time we were here, it did not seem to be that tall, but yeah. I mean, I don't know, size comparison. It's up to my knee. It's a pretty good sized log, but just tap that front tire on her and hope she sticks.
I've never done a double blip, so.
Do your thing. See if you need a couple.
Got 10 miles on it. Not even an hour.
Not even an hour, and this guy's hitting the challenge course. That's how he does it. You could practice.
Let me try it.
Just a skid. You're good. Yeah. Putting her to work. At least it's a light bike.
Yeah.
Oh, I imagine.
Oh, this one I might get stuck on.
Have you done it before?
I've never done the tires before.
Oh, you want the front tire to just skip over the edge of it, because if you land your front tire in the middle there, you're gonna get stuck.
Oh yeah, going over the bars.
Yeah, maybe. I'd imagine. Nice. Heck yeah. There we go.
I'm not doing that because I don't want
Drop it and dent the pipe.
to pipe or the clutch case or something like that.
Yeah. Good stuff though.
Yeah, good stuff.
Heck yeah.
It's always the scariest going the first time. After,
Yeah, after the first time, and you usually.
you know what's gonna happen and stuff. Wow, this thing turns so fast!
All right, guys, now for a little bit of Bronco fun.
Oh geez, I'm gonna be dusted out. Dang, he's hitting this hard.
This is University Firepower, and it's a hill climb trail. And well, we got the best spotter up here. We got my buddy and his Beta. All right, here we go.
Not even hard. Simple trail. There's a route here, not bad at all. You're about to hit it? Oh, there's a lot of walking. Getting a bit tight. Oh boy, you're floating, man. You are floating. Was that the sway bar? Yep. It just dropped. Wow. Big ass rock. Am I still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, I recorded it.
That got really close there.
Yeah, the whole like thing went.
It felt like I slid towards the wall.
You didn't slide.
It just tipped?
It just tipped.
Okay, because it felt like I slid and like, oh, and then you're like, you're floating, I'm like, okay. And so I'm like, boop.
You press the sway bar disconnect and it just.
That's good stuff. Heck yeah. Looking a little dusty there, bud. Alright guys, that is going to wrap it up for today's video. Got cut short early with the KX flat tire, but we didn't let that stop us. Sick new bike here that the buddy got. Thanks for the ride. Hope you enjoy the new bike. Yeah, it's a freaking beast. If you enjoyed, drop a like, share, and subscribe. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.